How to calibrate the spray head with BrewLOGIC enabled. The function allows the brewer to be calibrated in a high mineral location to compensate as deposits build up internally. The spray head flow rate and level probe calibration option will not display when BrewLOGIC is disabled. To enable BrewLOGIC, press and hold the right hidden switch until BrewWizard appears on the display screen. The display screen should now read BrewLOGIC. Press and release the hidden switch until you exit BrewWizard screen. The display screen should now read enter a password. Press and release the hidden switch until the BrewLOGIC enabling option is presented. Select yes to enable BrewLOGIC, then press done. After the display message, the display screen will automatically direct you to the calibration flow option. Select yes. If the tank temperature exceeds 170 degrees, a warning message will display reading too hot, will cool tank now. Check to see if the funnel and graduated cylinder are in place and secure. Select the brew button to start the 1-minute dispense for cooling. During the cooling process, please wait until the dispense is finished. Empty out the cylinder and place it back under the funnel. The display screen will read, "Container ready." Select yes. Press the brew switch to perform the spray head flow rate and level probe calibration. Allow the machine to run through 4 cycles while the dispensing. Stand by until all cycles are complete. Check the volume of water dispensed in the cylinder. Adjust the values using the digital or control switches. Once all adjustments have been made, select Done to confirm that the calibration is complete. The spray head flow rate and volume of water between the upper and lower probes are shown on the display screen. You have successfully completed the spray head flow rate and level probe calibration. To exit programming mode, press and release the right hidden switch until returning to the home screen. To enter the mode to control line adjustments, press and hold the right hidden switch until BrewWizard appears on the display screen. Press and release the hidden switch until exiting BrewWizard appears on the display screen. The display screen should read enter a password. Press and release the hidden switch until the calibrate temperature sensor option is presented. Press and release the right hidden switch until the display screen should read line adjust. Adjust the values using the digital and control switches. Once all adjustments have been made, select Done to confirm that line adjustments is complete. You have successfully completed line adjustments. To exit programming mode, press and release the right hidden switch until returning to the home screen.